such videos are going viral very fast on Instagram and YouTube these days.
And such accounts, by just posting a few posts, are gaining millions of followers.
And because it is an educational niche, they are earning a lot from it.
Like these accounts on just 35 posts have almost 1 million followers. On the 37 posts, 800k. On the 24 posts, 200k follower. On 23 posts, 100k. And many such accounts are growing as soon as they are created.
So that's why today I will tell you how to make such an exact same video absolutely free, in which we will learn to generate such dark psychology scripts. We will know which voice is being used in this, which is absolutely free, and where will you find such videos, how to give them such a rough paper effect, how to do sound designing. You will learn all this, and I will give you all the materials that will be used in making such videos absolutely free. But it is not in the description, so don't look for it there. I will tell you somewhere in the middle of the video. So make sure to watch the full video to go to their Instagram.
Wanna earn money online with AI? Start YouTube automation, steal secret biz tools, and grab free money-making courses. Don't miss out. Join my WAP Now link in bio.
Here steps are divided into 4 parts. So first, we need a dark psychology or self-growth script. And the easiest way to generate that is with ChatGPT. But instead of using a generic prompt, I did something better. I head over to ChatGPT and use a custom prompt where I've added all the details about tone, structure, hooks, CTA, and storytelling style. Before generating anything, I trained the chat first by pasting real viral scripts from trending videos. That way, ChatGPT understands the exact structure and emotional flow that's going viral right now. Once that's done, I simply ask it to write the first script, and it gives me something spot on. Then I ask for another one, and again, it's perfect. After that, I request a few scripts focused specifically on dark psychology, since that's what's trending the most right now. And again, the output is exactly what I wanted. You can pause here and read it for yourself. Then I just type more, and it continues generating new scripts in the same viral format. You'll do the exact same thing, and I'll give you the direct link to this trained chat so you can skip all the setup. Now that we've got the script, it's time to turn it into a high-quality voiceover. I head over to 11 Labs, paste the script, and use the free voice options. No subscription needed. To get the voice style you hear in most viral reels, just go to the default section, click View All, and choose from voices like Ethan for male narration or Nicole for female narration. If your script has different emotional tones in different parts, you can split it into sections and assign different voices to each one. I do the same here. Once the voices are selected, I click Generate and the voiceover is ready. You can regenerate it up to 2 times for free if it doesn't sound perfect the first time. No credits are used for that. I just regenerate it until I get the tone I want. And that's it. Professional quality voiceover, completely free. Next, we need footage to use in the background of the video, and finding the right clips is easy. Instead of searching manually on stock sites like Pexels, I've already created a private board where I've saved the exact type of videos that work best for this style. All you need to do is open the board, click on any clip, and similar viral style clips will be recommended automatically. From there, you can download the footage in just 1 click. No editing, no trimming required. And yes, I'll give you the direct link to this board. But just like the script prompt, it's not in the description. I'll drop it later in the video, so keep watching. Now let's move on to editing. This is where the entire vibe of the video is built. First, I import the voiceover, all the video clips, and the editing pack, which includes sound effects, background music, overlays, and everything else we'll need. You will find in my Telegram channel, link in description. Then I drop the voiceover on the timeline and start by cutting out all the long pauses. This keeps the pacing tight and makes the delivery more engaging. Once that's done, I select all the voiceover clips, compound them, and then slightly increase the speed and volume to match the vibe of these fast-moving reels. Now we start sound designing. I go to the SFX folder in the pack and start layering sounds at key points in the script. A riser before the hook, then a glitch, followed by a snap, then an evil laugh, and another snap to finish the pattern. I place each effect carefully, based on the voiceover's flow. This makes the transitions hit harder and keeps viewers hooked. Next, I add the background music, drop it under the full timeline, lower the volume, and use fade in out to keep it smooth. Once the sound design is done, it's time to drop in all the video clips according to the voiceover. Before placing the clips, I switch the sequence to 9:16 format, since we're creating short form content. Then I bring in the rough paper overlay, scale it to fit the frame, and set its blend mode to multiply. This gives that textured, gritty vibe you see in most viral reels. If I want the effect stronger, I simply duplicate the layer and adjust the opacity to balance it. Next, I add a black background, mask it with a circular shape, scale it to match the inner frame, and hit invert. That adds the glowing spotlight style around the video content. Once that's done, I place all the footage clips underneath, trim and speed them up slightly so the visuals stay dynamic, and leave intentional gaps where only text will appear. To polish the final edit, I apply fat transitions between clips, add an adjustment layer on top, and give it a light vignette for cinematic depth. That's it. The video is ready. Here's a preview of the final result.
Do you know why people don't help you when you need it the most? Why? Because they do not care. They never felt your favor. When you do something for someone, never say it's okay. You lose your power right there. Brother, say directly, yes, I did it. But if this happens...
So hit subscribe because this tutorial gave you a trick.